Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you if you are unable to uninstall phone link. So if you want to uninstall it, when you make a right click, there is no uninstall option over here. And if you go to app settings also, here you can see there is no uninstall option. To uninstall phone link, you can copy this link. You can copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Copy this command and then type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow and then paste the command over here. Hit the enter key. This will uninstall phone link from your computer. So now if you search phone link, it's gone. So it's uninstalled. So this is how you can uninstall it. Now in future, if you want to install it, you can follow the steps from this video. I made a separate video on how to install phone link. So you can follow the steps from here. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.